Today, we're diving into the top 5 best robot window cleaners that are perfect for keeping your windows spotless with minimal effort. We all want to make smart choices, so let's explore the features these amazing products offer and how they might fit into our lives. Remember, all the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Just a quick heads up, this list is based on our personal views and includes factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5, the Liectroux YW610 Robot Window Cleaner. This compact yet powerful device is designed to make window cleaning a breeze. With its sleek dimensions of 300 by 140 by 95 millimeters, it's easy to maneuver and fits perfectly for various window sizes. It comes with a 4-meter DC power line, a safety rope, and a lithium-ion battery that can provide up to 20 minutes of backup in case of power interruptions. Its noise level stays below 65 decibels, ensuring a quieter cleaning experience. The Liectroux Y6610 uses infrared remote control and advanced fall arrest control, making it safe and user-friendly for every home. Number 4 is the Zqoxinnova Robot Window Cleaner, a versatile and efficient cleaning companion. This device is packed with smart features like its robust 4-meter cord length and voltage compatibility ranging from 110 to 240 volts. Built as a multifunctional cleaning tool, it not only works on windows but also serves as an electric mop for floors. Its smart design makes it a great addition to any modern home, while its lightweight and compact structure ensure ease of use. Certified for quality, it's an ideal choice for those looking for a reliable and adaptable window cleaning solution. Number 3, the XMSJ Robot Window Cleaner is all about simplicity and effectiveness. It comes with a complete cleaning kit that includes a remote control, a power cord with an adapter, 2 pairs of cleaning rings, 10 cleaning napkins, a safety string, and even an extension pole for those hard-to-reach areas. This thoughtful packaging ensures you have everything you need to keep your windows spotless. It's a reliable choice for anyone looking for a no-fuss, with straightforward cleaning experience, combined with the dependability of XMSJ's design and functionality. Number 2, we have the CHOVER Robot Window Cleaner, a sleek and durable device designed for effortless cleaning. Featuring a 5-meter power cord and an emergency power supply system, it's equipped to handle even larger windows with ease. Certified by CE, CB, RoHS, and UL, it guarantees safety and high-quality performance. With a sturdy build and dimensions of 300 by 150 by 120 millimeters, this robot cleaner is both compact and powerful. The CHOVER model is perfect for those who want a blend of functionality and reliability, making it a solid investment for maintaining pristine windows. Finally, at the top of our list is the PuRuikai N3361 Robot Window Cleaner, a premium choice for those seeking high-quality performance and ease of use. This device comes with a 5-meter cord and operates at a voltage range of 110 to 240 volts, ensuring compatibility and versatility. With its user-friendly design and high certification standards, the PuRuikai N361 delivers outstanding results while maintaining safety and efficiency. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-tier robot window cleaner to simplify their cleaning routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and recommendations on the best products out there.